Hey everybody, it is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today I'm here to look at a new pair of shoes called the Pullman. I went a whole size down, so from an 11.5D to a 10.5 US. So let's take a look at what we have. This is, I ordered these in suede. You can see it's got the same last as the Whittier that I have in LPB. Very, very solid construction. This beautiful triple stitch all the way around, and this great suede color. Now, speaking of color, also in the box, a J. Fitzpatrick shoehorn and an extra set of laces. And these come with flat laces as well. Here's the other shoe. Now, when I look at these and I try to judge the color, I thought that these would be very close to an Alden Snuff, but they're a bit darker. So I'm going to just really quickly here do a comparison with my Crockett & Jones Polo, and look at that, they're a little bit lighter. So I think from a belt perspective, I'm going to stick with the Alden Snuff, keep them in that family, and go from there. Anyway, this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Hope you found that enlightening. I'm excited to wear them. So here are the Pullmans. This is my my first wear. And I feel like they're a very good fit. The brake is in the right place. It may be a little bit further forward because I went down a whole size. I wasn't a 10.5 before, and instead of going to a 10, I went to a 9.5, just because they were so roomy. And you could still see up at the top with the V gap is pretty small. So for being brand new, it's pretty good. I really do love the way these soles are. I find that to be very, very good. I like the light color on them, and feel like there's a lot there that we can do. So just a great shoe, great angles, great details, something I'm very happy with. Take a look at the thickness of this leather and the thickness of the lining. It's very well put together. Really find that this is very high-end suede. Take a look at the stitching, the evenness, having 3 rows together. That's not hard. Look at the edge here on this corner. Really, really well executed. The soles on this are light, but they're very, very flexible, and they feel great. I think they look great on, and I feel like they're just great shoes to wear. They hold up pretty well. Even after only a couple wears, I can tell that the longevity of these is going to be among the best in my collection. I'm really, really happy with them. They even get a little bit darker in the shade. I love the way they look. So these cost $395, and in my opinion, based on the quality of the materials and the construction, they're worth it.